Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your College-Glen neighborhood real estate specialist as well as neighbor. I live in the neighborhood and been specializing in it for about the past 6 years now. And I'd just love to talk about real estate in the neighborhood, give data that's going on. You can check out my website about the neighborhood, collegeglenrealestate.com. And I just wanted right now to talk about the sales that closed in the month of April 2016. So I'm going to throw up some numbers here. We can talk about it. There were 7 homes that closed escrow in April 2016. That's the same as there was in March for 2016. However, if you go back to April 2015, a year ago, we had 17 closed escrows in April 2015. So it's not as if our market is worse than it was a year ago. It's actually probably stronger. The reason being that's a low amount of closings compared to a year ago is we just haven't had the inventory. There's buyers out there, but the amount of homes available has been significantly low for this time of year. The last almost 2 months, we've only had about anywhere between 2 to 5 homes available on the market, and they're just getting bought up really quickly. So we would have more closings, but because of that low inventory, we only had 7 in the month of April. As you can see there, for whatever reason, just kind of randomness, we actually had a majority of them were almost all 4-bedroom homes there. But as you can see, if you scan over and look at kind of the final column is sales price, the percentage of the sales price compared to the list price. And as you can see, it's kind of a seller's market in our neighborhood. It's actually averaging above 100% of the sales of the list price is the sales price. So actually about 2% higher than where things are getting listed at. Most of these homes are having multiple offers and selling over list price. If you see the second to last home there on Mediterranean, that was my listing. We listed it at $335. We actually had 7 offers in the first 6 days there, and it sold for $347, so $12,000 over the list price there because of the competition and prices getting driven up due to the buyer competition and everything. So that's kind of what went on in April. However, the stats that are showing in April, that's reflective of what was going on in February and March because it takes about 30 to 40 days to close an escrow. So what's currently going on right now, the end of May, beginning of June, is that finally our spring market has sort of started here and the inventory has gone up a little bit now. Buyers are finally taking a breath and saying, wow, there's a couple of houses to choose from. So the inventory is about 10 to 12 homes available on the market right now. And we're still seeing them bought up very quickly. We've got a high amount of properties that are pending in escrow right now. And I'm expecting that we'll start to see the amount of closings excuse me, continue to go up as well over the next few months because we're having more inventory coming on. I myself have some houses coming on the market in the next couple of weeks as well too. So inventory is starting to increase in the neighborhood. Still leaning definitely towards a bit of a seller's market, but because inventory has increased, it's more of a sensitive seller's market now. The homes need to be priced right, show well, and have really good marketing in order to have success in the neighborhood because the buyers have a few more options now. For the last few months, there was 2-3 homes available. They were all getting sold because buyers are just like, I have nothing to pick from. This is what I'll go for, you know. So we're seeing a little bit of a shift towards more of a normal market as far as you would expect in the spring and summer for College-Glen. So that's what's going on. I hope you enjoyed the update. Feel free to call or email me if you're looking to move into my neighborhood, become a neighbor of mine, or if for some reason you got to sell the neighborhood and move out. Would love to hear from you. collegeglenrealestate.com. All my information's there. Feel free to give me a call or an email. Look forward to talking to you, and clear skies.